Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I have this Samsung Galaxy S23 FE and today I received two very important updates for this device. And this update is rollout for all the S23 series and I think for all the S24 series, S25 series and a lot of Samsung phones which are eligible for monthly updates. Now in this video, I will tell you why this update is very important and how you can do it. Obviously just go to settings and here you will find our option called security and privacy. Tap on it and here you will see an option called updates and tap on it, and here you have to tap on Google Play system updates. Here it will obviously check for the updates and there will be a new update of 98 MB as you can see. And why is this update very important? Because I think this is the first Google Play system update after One UI 8.5 stable updates. So it will fix all the security issue if there is any issue after One UI 8.5 stable updates, and also it will optimize your phone. So obviously this update is from Google and it clearly says latest security update from Google. Update now to keep safe and improve device stability. Let me click on download and install. The update is very small, just 98 MB, but this update is very useful because this update is directly from Google. You know, Android is owned by Google, so this update is very important than the other update, which is obviously security update from Samsung. We will talk about that also. Now let me install this and let me fast forward this video. Alright guys, the restart process has been done. Let me go to settings and let me check if we are in the latest Google Play security updates or not. If I tap over security and privacy, now if I tap on updates and obviously Google Play system update, you can see we are in the latest update, which is May. If I check for the updates, I think there will be a no update. So this is a very important update. You should immediately do it because it will definitely improve your phone protection. It will obviously improve your phone security and also it will optimize your phone. So, and this is very important because this is the first update after One UI 8.5 stable update. Now again, if I scroll down here, you will see a software update. Tap over here. Obviously you guys, if you are using a S23 series including S23 and S23 FE, and also I think for the all the S24 series, you will receive a new update which is a May security page update. I know it's June, but Samsung is too late this time. So you can see the update size is around 255 MB, and this update is also very important because this is the first security page update after One UI 8.5 stable update. Because I found a lot of small bugs on my S23 FE after installing One UI 8.5. I hope so this update will fix all the issue. Obviously, whenever there is a new update, new security page update for my S23 FE, I always make a video about it. So let me download it, and obviously there is no change log over here. So let me tap over here in this link. Let me see if there is any change log mentioned. But I don't think there will be any changes. So obviously there is no changes over here as you can see, and this is obviously the change log of One UI 8.5 stable. Alright guys, the update has been downloaded, but before installing there is a transition going on in my channel. I have been kind of doing this monthly quick review videos since like 2 or 3 years. Every time whenever I get a new update on my S23 FE, it's an OS update or security page update, I do a quick review. Okay, if you are my own subscriber, you know that before installing I always take a camera sample photo, because people says that like whenever Samsung roll out a new security page update, they decrease the camera quality. So let me take a you can see there are a lot of scratches. This is the 1x photo before updating. Now let me go to settings and update it, and I know that there won't be too much difference. That's why I only taking one photo. So yeah, but people ask me like whenever I do this kind of quick review video, do a camera comparison. So obviously I will take now after updating I will again take a same photo and I will show you. You guys will decide in comment like did it improve or decrease the camera quality. Alright guys, Samsung security page update is also done. The restart process has been finished. If I go to settings and scroll down, and if I tap on software update, obviously this is a new kind of update screen. So to see the details, we have to tap over here and tap on software information. Here you will see the security page level is now May, so it has been updated. I hope so it will fix the small issues. So basically I'm facing an overheating issue on my Galaxy S23 FE. Obviously as in S23 FE there is a heating issue since like 2 or 3 years now, but I think after One UI 8.5 update it has been increased a bit, so I think it will fix. And also the RAM management also has been very bad after One UI 8.5 update. Like if I'm watching YouTube videos and if I get a call and if I again go back after cutting the phone, if I again go back to the YouTube, the home page of video is refreshed. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, there are a lot of, if I open a Chrome and if I close, not close, go back to home screen, and again if I open the Chrome, the website will be refreshed. So the RAM management after One UI 8.5 is very, very bad. So I think it will improve after this update. Obviously right now I can't check it because that it will take some times to optimize the software update. So this is a kind of a quick review video. Okay, I forgot to take a photo, so let me open the camera. And currently the phone is heating a lot, guys. It's almost trying to explode. Let me just take a photo, and so I will just do a before and after. You guys decide in comment, okay, if there is any what we call improvement or any decrease, because you guys request that take a photo after updating and before updating. That's why I do this kind of segment. Okay, all right, guys, this was the two very, very important updates for Samsung Galaxy S23 series, S24 series, and I think for S25 series also. So if you have received this update, just do this update. It will definitely improve your phone performance, and it will definitely improve your phone security, and it will if there is any issue like a virus and etc., it will remove it through these updates. The Google Play system update is also very, very important. So if you have any questions, just comment below. And are you enjoying One UI 8.5? Let me know in the comment. Bye, take care.